Okay, so I signed up for a Ripple, I think it's called, or it's called Ripple. The Q maybe is silent, Ripple. So anyway, so I signed up for these guys and I'm just going through and testing to kind of figure out how this video thing will work. I have not done any of this before, so this is the first time that I'm doing this live. Now I did take some time to record a video with Loom. And apparently you have to record two separate videos. The first video that you have to record, I'm just going to go to my video here. No. Back here. The first video that you have to record is an intro video. And I guess that intro video is how they're going to use to put this circle. So this is my intro video here. And basically what I said is hi. And I said I just visited your website and I wanted to think. So that's number one. And then the second video is a walkthrough, which is an actual video that has a video walkthrough of your product. And I think what they're going to do is they're going to squash it together. So we'll see what happens. So with that, I'm going to click on website and I'm going to click on upload website. And then I'm going to choose the video version 4. I took a bunch of takes, by the way, like probably like 15 or 20 honestly. And then I'm going to click next and then it says continue with video. So here, need to switch to another video after your introduction, and the answer is yes, I'd like to do that. That's why I recorded two of them. So now I'm going to click here and then I'm going to say intro walkthrough, right? So this is me doing the walkthrough of the actual application itself. And then now I have to import your file. So what I'm going to do is very quickly, I'm going to create a new Excel spreadsheet. It's called video intro test. Okay. And then I'm going to just do, I'm going to say first name, last name, company, website. Okay, so that's it for that. So I'm just going to say dwainbrowne. snapsuit.io. And then what else? Let's do, just gonna do one more. Let's just find a random website from off the internet. Let's do plumbers. All right, whichever plumber comes up. So let's do visit website, and so this is a plumbing company. And then I'm just going to make up the name because I don't want to go into the details of everything. I just want to see how it works. So this is pro results. And then let's call it John Smith. Okay, so we have two websites. I'm going to close that, and then I think I need to import Excel. I'm going to go to SnapSuite, Excel, upload. So yeah, first name, last name, SnapSuite thing. Click on next, company, first name, last name. So here, we're going to choose website, columns in your file, website URL, first name, last name. Click on next. That's correct. Click on submit. And I guess, so a video title, a video for you. So I want to put it as a small bubble because I want to show my actual website. I definitely want to scroll through the website and I want moving the mouse on screen. So button text, choose a text So leave blank if you don't want it. So I'm say schedule a call. Okay, and then I'm going to use my link /meet. Okay, and then no, that's wrong. I'm gonna go here. So this is the link, and I think that's it. Okay, so file is being uploaded. So I'll pause this part. Oh, actually, I don't even know how to pause. Yeah, whatever. You guys just suffer through it. Fast forward on your own. So anyway, while this is going, so this is very interesting because I'm going to upload my entire list, or at least some version of it, and then once I think that, then it's going to obviously automate the videos, and now I got to copy the videos manually and put them in an email. Obviously, that is time consuming and thing. The goal here is to take this entire process and then automate it via their API. So it says show me their video, the video. So let's see. That's going to be the goal. But for now, what I'd like to do, I'm just basically just testing it to see from a manual standpoint how it would work, because I'm going to send it to myself in an email and just make sure that it's actually doing what it's supposed to do, right? Because, you know, there's no point in using a tool if it's not going to work for your business. And then I could automate it. So, you know, this is not something you do for every single cold email, but if you could get about 400 of these out per month, I think you might be able to get a reasonable hit rate on it. I'm not certain, but that's basically why I'm experimenting with this, just to see what can happen. So it seems like it's processing pretty fast, but we'll see all together. And again, the goal is to stitch all of this thing together into one systemized, very efficient process in terms of like rinsing and repeating outbound sales. So hopefully I finish this soon, else you'll have to just watch some awkward silence while we wait. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna do its thing. Like I said, these videos are supposed to be just raw videos, so I'm not gonna edit this or cut, you know, the time out. Like, you just fast forward through the video just to see the end result. That's okay. If this works, there's also another tool that while this is showing up, I want to talk about. There's another tool. Okay, so it's ready now, but there's another tool that you can do. Like, you can put up like a sign, and then it'll automatically put content on it. You know, like hi John, that kind of stuff. So video preview. Let's see. Okay, so this is 1, and then this is 2. Okay, so show me. So copy HTML code, share by email. Copied. Okay, so let's go to Gmail now. Let's go to my email, and then I'm going to click on create a new message. I'm going to send it to myself because, you know, I like sending myself email. Snapsuite. Snapsuite.io. That's cool. But it's not showing. No, interestingly, starting from the bottom. It didn't start from the top of my website, but I mean, it has my website in there. If I sent an email like this with this, I think somebody would click on it, right? So now I'm going to send that. Obviously, it's going to come here, and let's put me over there. My computer's running slow. Okay, it's not bad. If I click on that, it shows me my website. And then I could play the video. Hi, So I just looked at your website, and I'm pretty certain, based on your business and the fact that you guys are contractors, that you send out estimates or quotations on a regular basis. That being said, I'm also certain that sometimes it's just a struggle to get those quotations out to your customers. So I believe
hopefully you're hearing this
one. To increase that process and increase the speed at which you could get the quotations out to your customers at a much, much faster pace. I'm also confident, based on our platform, that we can help you to get paid by your customers at a much faster pace, which is something that we all struggle with. So if you could give me 30 seconds of your time, with your permission, I'd like to show you our platform and how we think we can help you with this process. And if this is something of interest to you, what I'd like for you to do is book a 15 minutes demo, or at least a call with us, so that we can basically just kind of understand a little bit more about your business and how we might be able to help you to solve this problem. So with
Not bad.
I'm going to show you our sort of quick walkthrough.
I'd like to put something up here, like our logo or something, or schedule a call, some kind of title or something.
Thank you again for your time. Okay, so when you log into our platform, the first thing you're going to see is our dashboard. Our dashboard allows you to see every single thing in one location. So
oh, okay, I see.
Service calls that are coming in.
Interesting. See, that's interesting because, that's not what I understood. My understanding was that whenever this switches to the second video, it was going to replace the entire window. That's not what it's doing. What it's doing is only replacing the video in here, and it's keeping my website the same. So I don't know how to do a demo. How would you do a demo with that? Does that make any sense? Like, do you guys understand what I'm doing? So, okay, here's the problem, right? Like, I recorded one video, which was just my face. Then I recorded the second video with my face in the corner and a product demo of the application. However, what Ripple is doing, or Ripple, I think, is they're only swapping the second video showing up in the circle, which is completely useless, to be honest with you. So let's see if we could fix that, because that doesn't make any sense to me. So I guess we gotta upload a new one. So let's try that again. So I'm gonna upload here. I'm going to upload the intro. I'm going to click on dynamic. Okay, so I think my computer is running really slow. I'm going to click on continue with this video only. So need to switch to another video after your introduction. Yes. Add another video. And then I'm going to switch to the full video. Yes. Next. Okay, let's use a random, let's do the right thing. We're going to upload our Excel. Oops. So website URL, yeah. Next, submit. So it's going to pull the data in. Okay, so after 10 seconds, choose your options. Big bubble, enter your options you want. Oh, I see. Got it. So I think I have to know how long my current video is. So let's go figure that out. So I think I have to know how I have to know how long this video is. So this is a 1 minute. So this is a 1 minute 16. So that's 76 seconds. Right, so what I have to do is I have to choose after 70, oh, of course, after 60 seconds, the second video, choose your option. So the second video is full screen there, right? So that's what I have to do, and then I'm going to choose schedule call. Because that's what they're saying. They're saying that on the second video, after 60 seconds, is going to do that. So I need to keep my introduction within 60 seconds. And then again, I'm going to choose my link, HTTPS. Meet, start creating video, right? Okay, again, I have to fast forward through this. This is real time, my friends, real time. Okay, so that makes sense. So your introduction must be, for your introduction has to be under 60 seconds, because that's basically what they're doing. And what they're going to do is, after that 60 seconds, they're going to swap my entire video, because I want it to be full screen, to my second video, which should show my face back in that same corner. So theoretically speaking, in theory, what it'll look like is my face was in that corner, I showed your website, and then after 60 seconds, I swapped over to the full video, and my face is still in that corner, but now I'm showing my website. So the jump shouldn't be bad, right? Show me the videos. So it's in queue. It's an interesting tool. It's an interesting tool. It doesn't necessarily work at this level. Because if you're doing it manually here, then you're kind of missing the point of what this tool is about, right? Like, the goal is not to use it in this context, what I'm doing right now. The goal is to use it in an automated process where you have a preset video. You could send it to URL, a website URL. It will basically automatically do that. It will basically transcribe the stuff, and a minute later, it will give you the response via API, so that you could then take that, stuff it into your video, and then send that out to whoever it is that you're trying to send out, right? And I think that's a way that it'll work. At least that makes the most sense to me. So let's see. Almost done. I don't have a pause button. You know what? I'm going to have to show back the controls on Loom, because generally speaking, I at least would pause this section of the video. However, I decided to hide the Loom controls, but in hindsight, that's a bad thing, because at least, you know, you could pause. I wish that Loom would just not show the controls that are being recorded. Anyway, that's a different thing about Loom, but okay, so now I'm going to preview it. So let's do the second one, shall we? Right? So I'm going to copy the HTML code. Let's play it and see.
Hi. So I just looked at your website, and I'm pretty certain, based on your business.
Now, interestingly enough, it's not showing me. Okay, so it's not showing me an actual video here. So let me compose this. There's something wrong. Something is wrong. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so I mean, ideally we just start with the home page, but maybe you don't want to do the scroll thing. I think that's the problem. So maybe you don't want to do the scroll thing. So let's see. Not the best experience, I'll tell you that. Like, this should load instantly as a GIF. Yes, I said GIF. Let's see. So close. So close. Not a guarantee, right? Like it's, yeah. It has potential. It has potential. I want to play around with it a little bit more. We'll see what happens. But I mean, this is a bug. Whatever this is a bug, and it's not good. But I'm gonna play around with this a little more. I'll give you my results in another maybe a few days or so, and we'll see where we go from there. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me on this one.